Today we're going to be making a YouTube intro for my channel. As you can tell, I don't have one yet, so we're going to go ahead and make it. I hope you guys are excited. We're going to use AI for all of it, so be sure to stay tuned and give this video a like and a comment, letting me know if you guys liked it and if you want to see more content like this. So we'll go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, hopefully you can see my screen now. We're going to start in ChatGPT and ask Suno to help us get a good intro going with some good music. So first, let's ask ChatGPT what to do. So we'll say, help me. So actually, we'll give it a role first. So that's one of the most important things. You are a YouTube intro producer. Help me make a good intro to my YouTube channel with Suno AI. The intro should be upbeat and my channel is about AI tools for creators. So we'll give ChatGPT that whole thing, and so it knows that it's the YouTube intro producer, so it's gonna sort of take on that role. That's one thing you want to do when you're prompting ChatGPT. And as it goes on, it's gonna show us all this different stuff, basically the whole framework of how it's going to work building out the song. So here's the prompt that we have for Suno. And basically, we want it to make sure that everything is gonna sound good and that our intro can be fully optimized for Suno, since we're using a free version of Suno. If you guys didn't know, free version of Suno has a limited amount of characters. So going from here, we're going to look down here and just see what else it has that it's saying that we can put in. So we might want that spoken hook just to make it so it's a little bit more interactive and that it's not just an instrumental. So we'll go ahead and ask it, make me an acronym for AI tools creators can use. Give me 10 options the acronym should sound good in the intro song. Okay, so now we have our 10 acronym options. So this first one right here, ARC, I actually really like. That's one that really speaks to me. I like the ARC type of acronym. ACE is another good one. AIM, ART, these are all really good acronyms, guys. So I'll ask it, make different intros for ARC. Give me 5 options. We want to kind of narrow it down so we have a little bit more centralized type of song that we want to get. Okay, so this first one, let's see how it looks. ARCI for Rising Creators, Suno prompt. That might be good. Okay, and then we got the funky pop jingle. Okay, welcome to ARC where creators rise with AI. That's a good one too. ARC, the future of creation starts here. I actually really like that one. Okay, another good one. Okay, so we got some pretty good ones in here. So I'll go with this first one to start out. We'll grab this and we'll paste it right in here. And it is not an instrumental, so you don't want to have that checked. And then we can also add in some inspiration. I think ambient, electric, and lo-fi. We'll try that out. We'll see what it comes up with. Alright, so now that Suno is working on that, we're also going to work on the video for our YouTube intro. So I'm going to ask it, write a prompt for an video with arc as the central, let's say a central circle. With text. Okay, so InVideo is the other one we're going to be using today. So let's see what Suno came up with really quick so we can see what we're working with for the intro. So we'll go ahead and play this. AI for rising creators. Not bad, not bad. Generators. Sense of glowing. I like it, I like it. Let's see what this one is. This one's got a little bit of a build before it. I kind of like that a little bit more. That way it can kind of intro in the intro music and then move into the full intro. So I can kind of have a hook at the beginning of my videos. This actually sounds pretty good too. I like the two options that Suno has given us. So we'll go ahead and see. Alright. Okay, so we'll grab this for InVideo. I think that's a pretty good prompt, actually. Really well made. Alright. I'll go ahead and take this and put this here in InVideo. Alright, so we'll have it generate the video, so it's going to generate it. And we'll see what it actually says right here. So it looks like, okay, so it's just going to generate. And let's see what else. So now that we have Suno, we'll try out another one of these, actually, another one of the prompts, and we'll see what Suno comes up with. We'll try this one. And those should be saved to the library now. Yes, okay. So those are saved to the library, so now we'll create another one. We'll use another prompt and just see how that one turns out. Okay. And there's these ones that I can get if I had the upgraded version of Suno, but I don't. So maybe one day I will. I actually really like Suno and how it's been working for me so far. So we'll see how this one sounds. Welcome to ARC, where creators rise with AI. Oh my! That one's alright. I don't really like it as much as the first ones. Let's see this one. Welcome to ARC, where creators rise with AI. This one's actually pretty alright. I actually really like that one. Okay, so now let's see this next one. This one will probably be more of like an, I guess, classical type of thing. We'll see. We'll see what it turns out to be. All right, let's see what it comes up with now. Oh, it said it couldn't generate that. I haven't run into that yet. So let's go ahead and I'll just refresh the page really quick. We'll paste this and we'll see if it generates it now. Yes, it looks like it's generating it. Oh, I like the ARC anthem. That actually sounds cool. Can't wait to see how this sounds. Okay, let's hear it. It's kind of got a good build. Maybe a bit too cinematic for me. I actually don't like those as much, which is kind of disappointing. I thought they'd be a little bit cooler. Alright, next, trap. Yeah, we'll do the trap beat. Let's see how this trap beat turns out on Suno. This will be interesting. And then while this is generating, I'll check on it. Alright, so we got the trap beat all set on Suno. So now we'll go ahead and see how these sound. Don't really like that.
rising creators. Arsu, the future's innovators.
It is saying Arsu. I don't really like that, so we're not going to go with that one. We'll see what this last one sounds like. Alright, we'll go ahead and pop this in here, and we'll go ahead and create that. Alright, we'll go ahead and play this one and see how it sounds. Sounds alright. This one's actually pretty good. But I think I'll go with one of these first ones actually. This one. This one's got the intro I like, where I can get a good hook, and then I can keep it where it's kind of low. I really like this one. So we're gonna keep this one for our YouTube intro. And for that, so now we need to get the video going. I tried in video and there were some issues going on with it. So we are going to use a different one. So I'll ask ChatGPT, what do you recommend for the video intro with free capabilities? Because we're trying to do this on a low budget and keep it within that low budget. So let's see. All right. Let's see. I think Canva. We'll try out Canva actually. All right, so we'll go to Canva, guys. We'll go ahead and log in, which should be pretty quick. There we go. And we'll see how to make this intro. So we're gonna go ahead and create, actually let's see, we'll use the Canva AI. And then I'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT, what prompt should I give Canva to make an intro for my YouTube channel and make it a sleek and smooth graphic using free elements. I do have it connected. I have my ChatGPT connected to Canva, so it can actually look in Canva and give me a little bit better answers for what to do. So we'll go ahead and take this and we'll put it in here. We'll go ahead and start that up. So it's going to just create an image right now, it looks like, which is pretty good. These look pretty good actually. I really like these. And we'll say, well, actually we'll take this one. This looks like a good one. Go ahead and download this. So this will be good for an intro. Obviously it's a static intro, but this is a really good actually start to our intro. So we have this, and we can just animate this a little bit later on in production. I'll show you guys a little bit more about that later on. But this is a good way to start, just a good solid intro that's static that you can animate and make it look a little bit better when you make your videos. And that will be all for the visuals. So we have our song and our visuals. So basically we're going to take this right here in Suno. We'll take this intro that it created for us, which is pretty good. I hope you guys like it. I'll be adding it onto my channel. And also we'll use what Canva has given us, and we'll just take these and use them as just some simple graphics that we can use. Like, these are super awesome and super helpful. So this is just a good way to get a good base on what type of YouTube intro you want to have. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and also subscribe so you guys can see more videos like this. I'll be putting out my new intro next week, so be sure to be on the lookout for that video. Hit the notification bell and you'll be able to know when that is dropped. Also, I'll put Suno down in my description so you can see my link and you can see Suno for yourself and try and use it, make your own songs. It's super cool. I highly recommend it. But have a good rest of your day, guys, and be sure to watch for that next video with my new intro.